and current affairs. Basta balita at musika, ibandera mo. 107.1 Radio Bandera, Olongapo.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo. Basta radyo, ibandera mo.
107.1 News FM, Olongapo.
From everyone at the station, happy holidays.
And yes, you heard it right. Happy holidays. 35 days to go before Christmas. Wow, malapit na. Almost a month na lang, no? A month and a week to go. And it's gonna be, we wish you Americano, we wish you Americano. Tuloy ko. Narinig ko yan sa mga batang nangangaroling sa amin last Christmas eh. Prokuro ko yung mga batang yun eh. Ito yung mga kinakanta nila. Kaya tuwan-tuwa ako pag kami nangangaroling ng mga bata. Inaantabayanan ko yung mga... May mga batang makukulit kasi sa amin eh. Sabi nung mga batang kunta, we wish you Americano and a happy negro. Meron pa. Malumanay sabi nila. Oh. Nagbe-blending. Galing eh, nagbe-blending pa eh. Gaganon pa sila eh. May warm up eh. Sabay bumanat ng ano eh. Malamig ang ilong ng pusa. Sana magbalik yung mga batang yun, ano? Ang kulit-kulit, no? Dasurb nila, dasurb. Ang regalo. Maganda nga ako regalo para sa kanila. Uy, nakaready na yung mga gift ko sa bahay, ha? Nakaready na. Oo, yung mga battery, binalot ko. Battery. Walang toy. Nilagyan ko na lang, toys not included. Nakasulat. Mahal ka rin, Ninong. Meron pa silang kanta. Ang kulit na isa pa nilang kanta eh. Nang si Kristo'y isilang. Paano ba yun? May 3 haring nadapa. Puti nga. Ang kulit ng mga batang yun. Sana magbalik sila. Yeah. Shout out sa mga nakikinig ngayon. Hi. Hello. Alam ko hindi pa kayo nagkiklik ng like pero maya i-click nyo rin yan. Alam ko, i-click nyo rin yan. I-click nyo na yung like. I-like nyo na yan. Now na. Sa ating live video. Yan, naka-live yung video natin syempre sa DJ Tommy G page, Radyo Bandera page, Olongapo related page. Kinalat ko rin, no? So, mag-click na. Click na! Now na! I-like nyo na. Mag-comment na rin kayo. Comment na rin kayo ng question ninyo. Ano ba? May question of the night ba tayo? Wala tayong question of the night. Ano na lang, bahala kayong magtanong kung ano gusto nyo itanong, ha? Okay? Kung ano yung mga maitutulong ko sa inyo. Mamaya i-share ko sa inyo yung mga most memorable. Uy, masaya yun ha, pakinggan nyo ha. Yung mga most memorable na tinanong sa akin sa radyo noon. Kasi I'll be celebrating my 19th year this coming December 6. 19th year sa broadcast industry. I started December 6 of 2006. Kaya magna-19th year na. Next year, 20th year na. Wow! Share ko sa inyo yung mga pinakamasayang, memorable. Masaya, malungkot, nakakatakot, nakakainis, nakakatuwa, nakakagalak na shinare sa akin ng mga listeners. Oh, di ba? Saya nito. Kayo rin, baka may gusto rin kayo i-share. Sige lang, go ahead. Okay, and as usual, we start things up with today's holidays and observances. Lagi naman, di ba? Live tayo ng holidays and observances. We share it with you guys kung ano yung what's going on for the holidays and observances. Yan, okay? So, ano ba? Umpisa na ba natin? Today's holidays and observances. Eto yan, okay? It's November 20. Wow! 20th of November na. Ang saya-saya. Okay. So this segment is being brought to you muna by Angel's Pizza, Olongapo City. Alright, Angel's Pizza Sulit Bundle. Get 2 big family pizza, any flavors, and get a free medium-sized pizza, free 1-liter lychee lemonade, and a lifetime APC loyalty card for only 1,049 pesos. Now available at Angel's Pizza for delivery and advance order. You may call 0927-117-9020 and 0932-707-4045. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali. Sulit bundle promo. Check it out. Okay? They are open Monday to Sunday. Walang sara-sara. Actually, yung Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. to 12 midnight. Hanggang 12 midnight pa, ha? Okay? Hanggang alas 12 pag nag-craving ka. Friday to Sunday naman, 8 a.m. to 1 a.m. Yun. Hanggang alauna, may extra hour pa after the midnight. So you guys, ayan, okay? 0927-117-9020 for inquiries, delivery, advanced orders, and a whole lot more. They are located number 395 Rizal Avenue West, Tapinac, Olongapo City. Next to ano yan, yung kanto ng 4th Street lang yan. Nandoon lang yan. Okay? Madaling matagpuan. Madaling hanapin. Madaling matagpuan. Okay? On with today's holidays and observances, of course. November 20 is Transgender Day of Remembrance for the LGBTQ community. Okay? So kung kahapon, International Men's Day, mga kalalakihan, ngayon naman the Transgenders Day of Remembrance. Okay, comprises of LGBTQ individuals united by a common culture and social movement. Okay, the communities generally celebrate pride, diversity, individuality, and sexuality. Okay, wala yatang naging masyadong big celebration ng LGBTQ for this. Wala ba? Or may ibang... Siguro may ibang tayong araw ng celebration. Alam ko meron May ibang araw tayo ng celebration dito sa Pilipinas for this. International kasi itong binabasa ko no? Naman naman kami dito sa Radyo Banda. Pang international kami Ako yung mga listeners ko sa program ko from around the world no? May mga nasa US, may mga nasa Hawaii, merong mga nasa Singapore, Canada. Ayan, Canada. May namit kasi akong white dude noon. He's white, yeah. And he's Canadian. So he pronounces Canada as Canada. You know why? His nanny is Filipina. Lumaki sa nanny na Pilipina. Kaya yun, may accent siya Canada. What is your problem? I am from Canada. Okay. Enough of that already. On with some more holidays and observances. November 20. Okay, today is African Industrialization Day. November 20. Children's Grief Awareness Day. Educator for a Day. Dami pala, no? Great American Smokeout Day. Smokeout. Parental Involvement Day. Name Your PC Day. What's your PC's name? Ako, simply, my PC's name is DJ Tommy. DJ Tommy G. PC. Yun ang pangalan niya. Yeah, okay? Today's also Peanut Butter Fudge Day. Ooh, something that's yummy for you. Rural Health Day. Universal Children's Day. Use Less Stuff Day. Ay, nako, tama yan. Use less stuff. Alam nyo, we have so much stuff. Aminin nyo sa bahay nyo, di ba? Maraming mga, kung anik-anik na hindi masyadong kailangan, di ba? Kasi tayo, minsan may impulse buying tayo Ito yung magandang rule ng ng mga financial advisor. No matter how mura, no matter how cheap, no matter how naka-sale, if you don't need it, if you don't have a need for it, do not buy it. Tama naman, di ba? Minsan kasi impulse buying Ay, naka-sale, sayang. Pero ang tanong, kailangan mo ba? Hindi mo naman kailangan Yun yung trick nila para bumili ka kahit di mo kailangan Isi-sale, di ba? They will trick you into buying it. Ganun lang yun Ganun lang kadali yun, okay? If you don't need it, don't buy it. Tatambak lang sa bahay mo yun di ba? Yung iba, merong iba, alam niyo yung sakit na na hoarder effect. Nag-hoard, bili ng bili, tambak hanggang sa pag tinitingnan mo yung bahay niya, naku, loaded na kung saan nakalagay yung mga stuff. Too much stuff. Okay? And what else? World Philosophy Day, and lastly, World Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Day ang November 20. Yan. So there you have it. Just some of the few holidays and observances for today, November 20, 2025. And for those naman who are celebrating their birthdays today, yep, this one is for you. The famous birthday segment, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays, November 20.